This is more than a fence. It's a complete modular privacy fencing system engineered for real construction sites. Designed for fast and predictable installation with clean handling and efficient transport. Mount the posts, slide in the panels, and lock them with purpose-built fixing brackets. You feel it immediately. Stable, solid, reliable, full visual privacy, and a clean architectural finish from both sides. Built from galvanized steel, 1.5mm structural posts, 1.2mm steel panels, finished with durable electrostatic powder coating. Built for weather, built for daily impact, and if a section is damaged, you replace the part, not the entire system. Available in custom textures and the full RAL color range. A reliable solution for contractors, distributors, and OEM brands who think long-term.